समय रहना एवरीबॉडी, समय रहना। मैं पहले रोस्ट से नहीं शुरुआत करूंगा. Start with a little concern. You've put on a lot of weight recently. I guess that proves that Tanmay Bhatt semen is high calorie. Honestly, I'm a little pissed off that you're on this show. I have a complaint with the producer because we've been in a 3-week quarantine for this shoot. और अगर मुझे मेरी बिल्ली अलाउड नहीं है तो तन्मय को उसका कुत्ता क्यों? तारीफ भी होनी चाहिए. Tanmay loves doing stand-up, but his favorite venue is to perform in Akash Gupta Shadow. Tanmay chess खेलता है, and he charges people money to play chess with him. You're the world's first chesstitute. To be fair, this chess thing is going really well for Tanmay. It's going really well. Gets a lot of action because of it. By which I mean, हर stream पे बिस्वा का रहता है. He's so obsessed with chess that even his girlfriend is like, if I want him to go down on me, I have to be like, Samay, move mouth M1 to clit C1. और फिर भी he's like, अरे रुकना, बिस्वा खत्म नहीं हुआ अभी तक.
इतने सालों बाद रोहन और तन्मय को रोस्ट पे देख के मुझे आपकी एक मूवी का डायलॉग याद आ रहा है. बोल दूं?
बोलो.
आंड चाहे जितना बड़ा हो जाए ना, रहता के नीचे ही है. Rohan Joshi, guys. Rohan Joshi is he likes Star Wars. You like Star Wars, right? That is fitting because the only place you would be considered funny is in a galaxy far, far away. Rohan Joshi is into fitness, but Tanmay is also into fitness. In fact, Tanmay has been deadlifting Rohan Joshi's career. रोहन जोशी को देख के ऐसा लगता कि इसका बहुत पतला होगा. Rohan Joshi is like the Snoop Dogg of Indian comedy scene. He smokes a lot of weed and hasn't been relevant since the past decade. In fact, Rohan इतना गांजा खरीदता है that Sumera's family can finally afford an AC. In fact, his Instagram handle is called what? Mojo Rojo. It should have been called Mojo No Jokes. कितना बड़बड़ करता है Instagram पे, मतलब रोहन जोशी लड़कियां नहीं, सिर्फ ज्ञान है.
Nick, I don't want to roast you back because honestly, this is a big moment for you. So I want you to take it in. I want you to enjoy. And I want you to remember the day that it took you 2 full reality shows to beat Akash Gupta once.